Okay, so example number 3 in multiplication of radicals with different orders. So cube root of ab squared times fourth root of a squared b. So pag walang operation na nakalagay dito, ibig sabihin that is multiplication. Okay, so solution. Again, we are going to rewrite as rational exponents. So yung ab squared, so in-close natin yan sa parentheses. Quantity ab squared raised to 1/3. So ang exponent nitong buong ito, ab squared, that is 1. So ito yung numerator natin, and then yung index natin dito, that is our denominator. Next is times quantity a squared b. So again, in-enclose natin sa parentheses yan, raised to 1/4. So yung exponent natin dito sa a squared b, that is 1. So yun yung numerator natin, and then yung index is yung denominator natin. After that, we're going to multiply exponents. So i-distribute natin yan. Yung 1/3, i-distribute natin dun kay a. So meron tayong a raised to 1/3. Yung 2 naman, yung b squared naman, i-multiply natin yung 1 times 2. So that is 2/3. That is 2/1 times 1/3. So multiplication of fraction, multiply the numerator to numerator. So that is 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. So that is 2/3. Next, yung a squared naman. So yung 1/4 distribute natin dito kay a. So 2 times 1, 2. And then 1 times 4 is 4. So over 1 yan. And then b raised to 1/4. So 1/4 times 1, that is 1/4. So to have one radical, we need a common denominator, and that is 12. So kung mapapansin natin dito, 3, 3, 4, and 4. So kukunin natin yung 4 at 3. So again, multiply natin ito sa counting numbers. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Yung 3 naman, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 4 is 12. So meron na tayong common denominator, which is 12. Okay, so isulat natin yung 12 as denominator nila para similar or like fraction na sila. So 12 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 1, that is 4. 12 divided by 3, 4 times 2 times 2, that is 8. 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 2, 6. Next is 12 divided by 4, 3 times 1, multiply natin sa numerator, that is 3. And then write under a single radical with common index, 12. Okay, so 12 root of a raised to 4, b raised to 8, a raised to 6, b raised to 3. So yung mga numerator nila dyan, siya yung mga exponent nila dito. At yung 12 na common sa kanila na denominator, siya yung index nila. Okay, so add the exponents. So, 4 plus 8, yung, 4 plus a raised to the 4th power times a raised to the 6th power. So, ang ginagawa natin yan, pag common ang base, ang ginagawa sa exponent, okay, very good, ina-add. So, 4 plus 6, 10. Sabi naman, 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, since, kung makikita natin dito, yung exponent ng a is 10, mas mataas pa rin yung index natin, so walang lalabas. Yung b naman, ganun din, 11, mas mataas pa rin yung 12, so wala pa rin lalabas na b. Okay, so this is our final answer. That is our final answer.